respected senior, my dear colleagues and friends. A very good day to all of you. Wireless Monitoring Training and Development Center welcomes you all on this auspicious occasion of IMSJ. So today we'll talk about what is Wireless Monitoring Training and Development Centers, what are the functions of Wireless Monitoring Training and Development Center, and how our training center progresses in the recent past years. So first of all, I would like to grab your attention towards what is WMTDC. So WMTDC is the nodal center for conducting training courses for officials and staff of Indian Radio Regulatory Service. We are also implementing National Training Policy 2012, that is that is the policy document given by TOPT to improve training both in qualitative and quantitative manner. So currently our training center is headed by STS officer, under which there are two JTS officers, two JWs, one TOA and two MTS. This is the sanction strength of our training center. So next I would like to tell you about what is the vision of our training center. The vision is to meet the contemporary technical and professional requirement and implement the various aspects of National Training Policy 2012. There are some key points of our National Training Policy, that is for the improvement of any training center. So I would like to quote the para 1.5 of our National Training Policy, that is to transform the civil service. It is imperative to move to a strategic human resource management system. Uh, uh, for the development of human resource management system, we have to reduce the competency gaps for the current and future roles through training. So that para 1.5 says. Para 2.1 is telling about the competencies. What is competencies? Encompass knowledge, skills, behavior, which are required in an individual for effectively performing the core functions of a post. The other set of competencies related to the professional or specialized skills which are relevant for the specialized function. Okay, that is like our monitoring. Monitoring is a specialized function. It is purely technical. So we need some specialized training for that. Okay. In general, the training constitutes like to administer office. We need the training of administration also, finance also. So all these are general part of training. But as we are technical department and our motto is to do some specialized technical job, that is wireless monitoring, spectrum management. So we require some specialized skills. So that is our vision. Some of the broad functions of WMTDC are is to conduct training for the provisionary officers of Group A of Indian Radio Regulatory Service, and also for Group B of Indian Radio Regulatory Service. We are also conducting technical training for the officers staff of different functional units of WPC WMO to keep them abreast of changing spectrum management and monitoring techniques and technologies. As we all know, technology are evolving very fast. So for this purpose, various short-term and long-term orientation programs are organized in WMTDC. DOT is also given certification for Global Maritime Distress and Safety System and RTR examination also. So for this we need to train our officers and induct new examiners for RTR also. So for this we are also conducting some technical training and also organizing some exams for induction of new examiners in our department. So that we do in the coordination with the industry experts and the related ministries. So some more functions are we are also conducting training on administration and finance. That is the general training. Okay. And also we are arranging on-site visits to different radio installations for trainees, some government installations also, and TSP's installation, private installations. How are they working? Because they are also doing some monitoring work from their end, and in case if there is an illegal aspect, they contact to the administration, the government administration. So we have arranged some on-site visits to different radio installations, and we have acquainted our officers with their working also. And apart from that, we have arranged specialized training for monitoring professionals from foreign administrations through ITU webinar. We have arranged specialized training for personnel outside WPC, WMO, officers of other cadre, and vocational training for engineering students. And time to time, we are doing preparation and updation of syllabus, course material, arranging guest lecture for imparting training. So these are some of the functions of WMTDC. Now I would like to quote some of the achievements of WMTDC in this financial year, 2019-2020. As we all know, the financial year 1920 earmarked to the orientation training program of 52 newly recruited JWOs. That is in the history of WMO. For this, we have framed a new course structure of 9 weeks to impart a specialized training as well as a general training to them. And in this, we have also included some field visit to various stations for the practical exposure and hands-on experience on the various technical equipments. So now I would like to show you about the training programs that are conducted by WMTDC in the financial year 2019-2020. These 52 newly recruited JWs, the training program for them, we have divided in 4 batches of around 13 each. So the first batch we have conducted in February 2019, in which 13 trainees have participated, and second batch we have conducted from March onwards, and this is also of 9 weeks, and 12 trainees have participated in it. Then we have organized one Hindi Karyashala. Like Hindi, Raj Bhasha is very important for our office functionality. So the one noting and drafting class for the officers and staff of WMTDC, WMO and WPC we have conducted. This is of 2 days. So 20 trainees have participated in it, and then we have conducted batch 3 and batch 4 as well. So by the calendar year 2019, we have conducted all 4 batches, and the training program was very successful and was highly appreciated by our Group B cadre officers. And then from ministry there is a demand of inducting new examiner, as there is a shortage of examiners for conducting RTR exam. So we have designed a new RTR fresher course adhering to the latest technologies and latest guidelines of DGCA, and we have organized a training course of 5 weeks this time. From 3 weeks we have increased the duration to 5 weeks, and we have called the industry experts and the retired DGCA and AAI officers also for imparting lectures in this training course. And we have successfully conducted the batch 1 also by January 2020 by February 2020, January to February. So these are some of the achievements of WMTDC in the financial year 2019-20. Apart from that, WMTDC has also designed a new training course of 52 weeks, around 1 year, for newly recruited Group A IRS officers through UPSC in order to take a leap towards National Training Policy 2014. Right now our current training program is of 14 weeks, so we have increased the duration to 52 weeks, because that's what our National Training Policy says. For Group A officers, we have to design a comprehensive training program which contains general training like administrative and finance, and also specialized training like our what is our technical motto. Okay, so also with the limited resources and in this COVID-19 pandemic, we are not able to organize any physical training to our newly recruited officers. So we have completely shifted our training module to the online mode, adhering to the guidelines of MHA and DOPT. And we are currently conducting this training program, and by so far it is going very smooth and very successful. So this is a great achievement for our department also. That's it from my end. Thank you very much.